This video will demonstrate the use of special tool Bearing Installer. This special tool is used to install the alternator drive end or pulley side bearing with the help of hydraulic press during assembly of the alternator. Using Bearing Installer to install alternator drive end bearing. Place the stator assembly on the bed of hydraulic press. Place the bearing on its vacant seat in the stator assembly as shown. Place the special tool on the bearing. Hold the special tool in its place by hand and start applying pressure on top of the bearing installer by operating the hydraulic press. Continue to apply the pressure until the bearing is installed fully in the stator assembly. After installation, release the pressure of the hydraulic press and remove the special tool. Inspect the bearing for proper installation. Advantages and benefits. This special tool helps in quick and easy installation of alternator drive end or pulley side bearing. This saves time and prevents damage to bearing and stator assembly.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.